Look at this. This is an electrician's worst nightmare. Oh no, that one's fully oh, look at that. He'll be just absolutely disaster. What a disaster for an electrician. But hang on a second. What's that in there? That's paper tape. And before I leave the job, I'm going to cut out this plaster, and what I've done is I've put a bit of paper tape in behind there, so that stops all the plaster from going over the electrician's wires and covering them completely. Sometimes, you know, they've already stripped them ready for connection, but they do not want plaster on their wires. That's the last thing they want. So electricians will absolutely love you and thank you if you take 5 minutes just to put a bit of paper tape over his wires, just to look after them and protect them, and that makes a huge difference. You know, if we can look after the next guy or the next girl on site, help them out, then we'll all be happy. And it comes out piece of cake. This one here, you know, and why do we do it? Electricians might be asking, because especially in New Zealand here, our standard height for switches is 1200, which is exactly a sheet of plasterboard is 1200, so it's right where we have our horizontal fixing. And when we run our boxes, we run our machines over it, it's easier to go straight over it to get that flush finish. You know, you might say, why don't you start there and go there and just do that? It just doesn't work. We're trying to achieve a nice flat finish, and that's the easiest way to do it, so that's why we do it. But all you got to do is put that, there's that bit of paper tape, so the plaster's not going in between all the wires, it's protecting it. You know, so put that bit of tape over there as well. So there you go. Look at that. One doesn't have much in it, so I might be able to just pull that straight out. Oh, that one's got a bit in it. You won't be happy with that, so we'll just have to pick that one out a bit. So, look at that. The electrician will come on site to do his fit off, and he'll be, first thing he'll say is, oh, who did the plastering? All the wires are nice and clean. Of course, we've just finished cutting these out where we've taped over them. So yeah, so think about the next guy or girl on site, and we'll all get along a bit better.